WalthMac WBB series Gravimetric batch blender consists of such key parts as fixed storage hopper, slide feeding valve, weighing unit, discharge valve, mixing chamber, flow control valve, display and control unit, system software, and control-driven unit. This system is mainly applied to online and offline dosing and blending process. For example, plastic injection, blow molding, pelleting, and film blowing production lines. WalthMac WBB series Gravimetric batch blender, based on the gain in weight working principle, aim to scale up to 12 components orderly. All the components will be sufficiently mixed by the motor-driven blades once all the components are scaled, according to the requested proportion and conveyed into the mixing chamber. By this step, WBB system completes the mixture work of one batching. Without equipping WBB system, the percentage of each component couldn't be controlled stably and precisely by human skills and experiences, which directly impacts the quality of the end products. Under this production mode, the manufacturing efficiency is far away from the expectation, which severely restricts the factory production efficiency. When WBB system is equipped, the proportion of different components is strictly controlled by precise weighing and metering unit to ensure the mixture of each batch meets the requirements. The system is highly automatic, precise, and significantly improves the raw material processing capability for continuous production, which helps factory to improve the overall production efficiency and product quality. The dosing and blending precision of the WalthMac WBB series Gravimetric batch blender reaches and even exceeds international industrial standards. This system could greatly improve the product quality and production efficiency, and also considerably reduce the product's defective rate and production cost.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.